guys, today we're doing 2 people, and we got 1, 2, and 3. And today was my birthday, so it's nothing on me. No one bought it.
Yeah, no one bought it. He got a present.
Yeah. Which one was from you?
The blanket.
Okay. Okay, which one do you want to open? No, we're not. Okay, we're gonna get.
Yeah, let's do that one.
Can you open this? Wait, can I bang it on me? Yes.
Ow. Okay, let's see what you. Yeah, we already know what you got. Show them. Show the viewers them. Show the viewers.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Show them.
No, 1, 2, 3 in my beans. New pack. Nice.
Please get a shiny. Please get a shiny.
A GX, VMAX,
Oh, VMAX.
or EX. I mean, this is a good chance we could get one. Okay, I keep.
No.
Hold on. So, what? I'm not gonna show you. Ooh. Okay. How about we just show all the cards? Oh,
Look at that one.
but this ones are rare.
Yeah, that one's really rare.
Okay.
Oh no, the dog is coming.
Oh no.
Oh no.
That's my dog, Luna.
Yeah. Or mine is a blue.
Now we get to go into this. Yeah.
Okay.
No, we not a new. Ooh, I didn't know this.
Yeah, that's cool. Look, show the back.
I didn't know that there were leaf, fire, and water. Now we're moving on to 2.
Bro, can I open one?
2 packs, yeah. I'll touch them. Okay. Okay. You know how to open Pokemon packs? Oh, let me help.
Okay, now.
No, okay. 1, and there we go. Now just show it, like turn it around. What? What?
Are we gonna shine? No.
That's not.
Let's show them.
Bruh. That's not shiny. Yeah, now we're moving on to the big boy.
Yeah.
We didn't get a shiny yet.
I know.
Jeez Louise.
I know. We have to get a shiny, or else.
Or else we're done.
Yeah, we're done for it.
I'm gonna scream.
It's true.
No, I'm not gonna scream. No, I can't. I can't.
How many-
No.
How many
This
packs
is
are there?
the good one.
How many packs are there?
We get a whole
Box.
We don't even know how many. There's no packs. There's no packs.
Bruh. Oh!
There's no packs.
I know, that's so cool.
There's no packs. What do we?
You open the box.
There's cards. We got 2 shinies. We got 2 shinies.
Oh
I mean, I already had them. So
yeah. Evan, look.
What's wrong with either my charger?
there's no.
Is it hot?
Is the Pokemon packs in here? What? Aww. What? Oh, a Pokemon game.
No, Luna. No, Luna. Go, Luna. Go. Jeez.
Please, please.
Sorry,
Water,
guys.
water, water.
She just
Where's
wants
all-
to hang out.
There's so many waters.
I got vocals.
This video has been 5 minutes.
Oops.
This bad